Capital gains refers to the difference between the sales price and the original cost of property. Capital gains taxes can be a terrible financial shock to individuals who bought a house or business many years ago for the going price, and now find it is highly valued, greatly due to inflation. Capital gains taxes are due only after an investment is sold. Capital gains taxes apply only to capital assets, which include stocks, bonds, digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFTs, jewelry, coin collections, and real estate. Long-term gains are levied on profits of investments held for more than a year. Short-term gains are taxed at an individual's regular income tax rate, which is higher than the tax on long-term gains.